Take a look at this channel for a second. Over 100,000 subscribers and the videos are still pulling in huge views. Now look at this one as well. Fewer videos, but the growth is almost the same. And there are several more channels just like this, quietly getting millions of views. What's interesting is that none of them show a face. No personal brand, no studio setup, no talking head videos, just simple faceless content. Yet they keep growing. So the question is simple. Can Vexub create this type of content? Let's find out. First, notice the niche these channels are working in. Most of their videos are about dark psychology, topics like male and female behavior, relationship psychology, attraction signals, manipulation tactics, and emotional intelligence. These subjects naturally attract curiosity because people always want to understand human behavior. That's why viewers click on titles like psychological signs someone is attracted to you or dark psychology tricks people secretly use. This topic itself does most of the work. Now the next question is, how do you create a video like this? Normally you would need to write a script, record a voiceover, search for visuals, edit everything together and add subtitles. That can easily take hours. But let's try doing the same thing using Vexub. Go to the vexub.com and click on create a video. Then choose text to video. Next, select the horizontal format because this type of content usually works well as long form videos. And after that, you will see the narrator and voice options. For this example, we can skip the narrator and simply choose an AI voice that sounds calm and documentary style. Now we move to the script section. Instead of writing a full script manually, we can simply paste the video title here. When we click generate script, Vexub automatically write the script based on the topic. Within seconds, we get a full script ready to use. If the script looks good, we click go to step 5. Here we select the visual style. For dark psychology content, styles like charcoal or minimal visuals often match the theme better because they create a serious and mysterious tone. Once the style is selected, we click start generation. Now Vexub processes everything, the voiceover, the visuals, subtitles, and music, and builds the video automatically. After a short wait, the video is ready. We can preview it, adjust any scene if needed, and then export the final video. Let's play the video.
They can't stop mirroring your actions. When someone is attracted to you, their body language tells a story. You catch them mimicking your gestures, leaning in closer when you talk, and even mirroring your expressions. It's like a dance, and you're leading.
So yes, Vexub can definitely create this type of content. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. And the interesting part is how fast the process becomes. What normally takes hours can now be done in just a few minutes. That's why many faceless creators are able to upload consistently and grow channels in niches like dark psychology. So if you are wondering whether Vexub can create videos like the ones you see on these channels, the answer is pretty clear. It absolutely can. Now the real question is, would you try building a channel in this niche? Let me know in the comment section. I will catch you in the next video.